guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I was missing on YouTube. That's because I was busy with my wedding preparation, as it's very evident now that I'm married and I wanted to be back on YouTube, so henceforth here I am. My second video is going to be my life update, where I'll be telling you what exactly is happening in my life and all the updates of my marriage. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section, and if that should be my second video, then do thumbs up this video so that I get a signal that I should do a life update video. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm going to unbox the box which I've received from the brand Glamego, and this one is their March come anniversary edition. So what are we waiting for? Let's dig in. So here's the carton in which the box actually comes. Oh wow, that's a beautiful lavender color. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful lavender color with illustrations of leaves and flowers, which I absolutely love, and Glamego, India's #1 beauty edition box. Now digging inside the box, you can see all the products are wrapped in bubble wrap, and there are 2 leaflets. The very first leaflet talks about all the products available in this box, and apart from that, all the premium brands discovered so far at Glamego. And yeah, the second one, whereas, is a gift card which talks about you will get 100% cash back in your Glamego account, which can be used to buy a full-size product on their website. I'll put all the descriptions in the description box, and the coupon code for that you will receive on 13th March 2019. So go make your account at Glamego. Now coming towards the box itself, all the products, as I can see, the very first thing which I really wanted to see is this one is Bliss of Earth Motherly Care with Love Mineral Rich and Natural Moroccan Red Clay. Now that's mouthful. It is meant for deep cleansing, exfoliating, I always fumble in that, so please excuse me, and detoxifying. I'm really excited to use this. I'll be using it tonight, 102%. So yes, I'll be doing that. And the price of this one is $4.99, and the price of the whole box is $3.99. How worth is that? Just think about it. Now coming towards the second product is Kajal. Though I'm not a fan of Kajal, let me be very frank to you, but I don't mind using it for smoky eyes. It really serves a good purpose, good base to stick your black eyeshadow. So the one which I got, the one which is there in the box, I should rather say, is from the brand Juice, and this one is their new signature Kajal, deepest black, smudge free, and the price of this one is 190 rupees. I like the packaging, like black, pink, yellow. That's quite poppy. Now coming towards third one, I love Bella Voste products, and this one is their Chubby Stick, and this is basically the price of this one is $4.99 again, and this is basically for your lips, but I have a hack for this. What you can do is you can just use this as your blush as well. Rub it on your hand and just take your beauty sponge, put it gives you a very beautiful natural blush finish. The shade I got is Hypnotic Rose. Let me just swatch it for you, what I am waiting for. Yeah, oh, it's a very beautiful color. I love it. I'm excited, and it's matte, the best thing. And the final product is Perini, I just hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Perenni, Perini Radiance Day Cream, and the price of this one is actually, the full size is for 1,599, whereas the sample one is for 160 rupees. I like such cute jars where you can actually try a product and buy it, like you test it before buying the actual size. I love it, and I love the whole concept of such small cute things, like once it's empty you can put something else, and while traveling you have a very compact jar with you. Yeah, those are the products which I'm really excited about. That's it for the video. If you have already received your box, let me know in the comments section which is your favorite product among these, and if you haven't, then what are you waiting for? Go onto their website and create an account and get 100% cash back. And if you have any question about my life update, please let me in the comments down below, and thumbs up this video because I wanted my husband to be the part of the next video. And if you are supporting it, and if you are supporting me in that decision, please thumbs up. Motivate him to be in front of the camera. And at the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.